Every single day, India throws away tons and tons of waste, plastic, old phones, used tires, dead batteries. Most people see this as garbage. But smart entrepreneurs see something else, raw material for a business that never runs out of supply. Because waste is the one resource that keeps growing every single day. In this video, we're breaking down 5 recycling businesses that are turning trash into serious profit. And how you can be part of it. Recycling isn't just an eco-friendly idea anymore. It's becoming one of the most consistent, most in-demand manufacturing sectors in India. Government is pushing it. Big brands need it. And the world is running out of ways to deal with waste without it. So let's get into the 5 recycling businesses you should know about. First up, plastic waste recycling. Plastic is everywhere. Bottles, packaging, containers, and most of it ends up as waste. The good part? Plastic waste can be sorted, cleaned, melted, and turned back into raw material that factories can reuse. With stricter plastic rules coming in across India, and brands under pressure to use recycled plastic in their packaging, demand for recycled plastic granules is rising fast. Right now, India's plastic recycling industry is already valued at around 30,000 crore rupees, and it's expected to keep expanding strongly over the next decade. For someone starting out, this is one of the easier recycling businesses to enter. The raw material is everywhere, and buyers are always looking for a steady supply. Next, e-waste recycling. Old phones, laptops, chargers, TV. Every year, this pile is getting bigger. Here's what most people don't realize. These electronics aren't just waste. They contain valuable metals like copper, gold, and silver in small amounts. That's what makes e-waste recycling so profitable. You're not just disposing of junk, you're extracting value from it. India generated close to 14 lakh tons of e-waste last year alone, and the organized e-waste market is projected to grow from around $3 billion today to nearly $10 billion within the next decade. With more electronics being sold every year, the supply of e-waste is only going to increase, and right now, there aren't enough organized players handling it properly. Third, rubber recycling. Rubber is used everywhere: footwear, industrial parts, automotive components. And just like plastic, old rubber products can be broken down and processed into reusable material instead of piling up in landfills. Industries that manufacture rubber products are increasingly looking for recycled rubber to cut costs and stay eco-compliant. India's rubber and tire recycling industry is currently estimated at a few thousand crores, but industry experts believe it has the potential to grow almost 10 times in size over the next several years as the automobile sector keeps expanding. If you can build reliable supply and consistent quality, this becomes a steady B2B business, selling directly to manufacturers who need raw rubber material. Fourth, and this one is growing the fastest, lithium-ion battery recycling. Every phone, laptop, and electric vehicle runs on a lithium-ion battery. And every one of those batteries eventually dies. Right now, India recycles barely 1% of its end-of-life lithium-ion batteries. Almost everything else is going to waste or informal scrap dealers. But this is expected to change fast. Industry estimates suggest lithium-ion battery recycling in India could become a business worth over 30,000 crore rupees by 2030, backed by a government incentive scheme worth 1,500 crore rupees. With EVs becoming more common every year, the number of batteries needing recycling is only going to explode. This is one of those businesses where getting in early could mean getting in before the real competition even shows up. And finally, waste tire recycling. Millions of tires get discarded every year, and burning them causes serious pollution. The better option? Recycling them into rubber crumb, industrial fuel, or raw material for new products. India generates close to 3 million tons of tire waste every single year, and the tire recycling market, growing at over 10% a year, is expected to cross 10,000 crore rupees by 2030. Since old tires are easy to source and the demand for recycled rubber output keeps growing, this is a business that combines low raw material cost with strong resale value. So that's 5 solid recycling business opportunities: plastic, e-waste, rubber, lithium-ion batteries, and waste tires. Different products, but the same story. Waste is only going to increase, and the people who organize it properly are the ones who profit from it. Now, starting any of these businesses the right way needs proper planning, not guesswork. That's exactly where NPCS comes in. NPCS helps you with everything: detailed project reports, market research, machinery selection, plant layout, raw material sourcing, and complete financial projections, so you know exactly what you're getting into before you invest a single rupee. If any of these ideas caught your interest, don't wait too long. This is the kind of opportunity that gets more competitive every year, not less. Reach out to us using the number or email in the description, and let's turn this idea into a real business. If you found this useful, like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more business opportunities like this.